In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a Word document using Google Drive. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you need to make edits to a PDF or just prefer working in Word. The first thing you want to do is head over to Google Drive. You can do this easily by opening your web browser and typing drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, as this will allow you to access your files and make the necessary changes. Next, locate the PDF document that you want to convert. If it's already uploaded to Drive, you can find it by scrolling through your files or by using the search bar at the top to type in its name. If it's not yet uploaded, simply drag and drop the file from your computer into the Google Drive window. Once you've found the PDF file, click on it to highlight it. After highlighting it, move your cursor to the top of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Open With. Hovering your mouse over Open With will reveal a drop-down menu here. You'll see several apps that you can use to open your PDF. For our purpose today, we'll select Google Docs from the list, so go ahead and click on Google Docs. Now that your PDF is open in Google Docs, you'll notice that it maintains most of its formatting. Though there might be a few differences depending on the complexity of the document, you're now ready to convert it to a Word document. To do this, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open another drop-down menu. Hover your mouse over the Download option, and you'll see several download formats to choose from. For a Word document, you'll want to select Microsoft Word by DOSX. Clicking on this option will prompt your browser to begin downloading a Word version of your PDF document. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked where you'd like to save the file, or it might go straight to your Downloads folder, and there you have it. You've successfully converted a PDF into a Word document using Google Drive. This method is not only efficient, but also leverages the services you likely already use, keeping the process simple and accessible. If your document was complex with lots of graphics or tables, it's worth checking the formatting in Word just to ensure everything looks good. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Happy Google Driving!